Is your car's temperature gauge rising into the red zone? Do you notice steam coming from under the hood or a warning light on the dashboard? These are serious signs that your engine may be overheating. Ignoring an overheating engine can lead to a blown head gasket, warped cylinder head, or even complete engine failure, repairs that can cost thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll explain the 7 most common causes of engine overheating, how to identify each problem, and what you can do to fix it before serious damage occurs. Let's get started. Step number 1: low coolant level. The most common reason an engine overheats is low coolant. Coolant absorbs engine heat and carries it to the radiator. If the coolant level drops, the engine cannot cool properly. Symptoms: temperature gauge rises quickly, low coolant warning light, steam from the engine, heater stops blowing hot air. How to fix: allow the engine to cool completely, check the coolant reservoir, refill with the correct coolant, inspect for leaks if the coolant level keeps dropping. Step number 2. Faulty thermostat. The thermostat controls coolant flow through the engine. If it gets stuck closed, coolant cannot circulate, causing rapid overheating. Symptoms: engine overheats shortly after starting, temperature gauge suddenly spikes, upper radiator hose remains cool. How to fix: replace the faulty thermostat, always install a new gasket, refill and bleed the cooling system. Step number 3. Radiator problems. A clogged or damaged radiator cannot remove heat efficiently. Rust, dirt, insects, and internal corrosion reduce cooling performance. Symptoms: engine overheats during driving, coolant leaks, dirty radiator fins, poor cooling performance. How to fix: clean radiator fins carefully, flush the cooling system, replace a leaking or severely clogged radiator. Step number 4. Cooling fan failure. The radiator fan pulls air through the radiator, especially when driving slowly or sitting in traffic. If the fan stops working, the engine temperature rises quickly. Symptoms: overheats in traffic, fan never turns on, air conditioner performance decreases. How to fix: check the fan fuse, test the cooling fan relay, inspect the fan motor, replace faulty components. Step number 5. Water pump failure. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the engine. If it fails, coolant stops flowing properly. Symptoms: coolant leaking from water pump, grinding or whining noise, engine overheating, steam under the hood. How to fix: replace the water pump, install a new gasket, replace the timing belt if recommended by the manufacturer. Step number 6. Broken or slipping serpentine belt. Water pumps are driven by the serpentine belt. If the belt slips or breaks, the water pump stops working. Symptoms: battery warning light, power steering loss, engine overheating, squealing noise. How to fix: inspect the belt for cracks, replace worn belts, check the belt tensioner. Step number 7. Blown head gasket. This is one of the most serious causes of overheating. A damaged head gasket allows coolant and combustion gases to mix. Symptoms: white smoke from exhaust, milky engine oil, continuous coolant loss, engine misfire, constant overheating. How to fix: perform a compression or leak down test, replace the head gasket, inspect the cylinder head for warping. What to do if your engine starts overheating. If your engine begins overheating, turn off the air conditioner, turn the heater to maximum, pull over safely, shut off the engine, never remove the radiator cap while the engine is hot, wait until the engine cools completely before checking coolant. Maintenance tips prevent overheating. Checking coolant regularly, replacing coolant according to schedule, inspecting hoses and belts, keeping the radiator clean, replacing the thermostat when necessary, repairing leaks immediately. Engine overheating is often caused by simple cooling system problems, but ignoring them can result in catastrophic engine damage. If your vehicle shows any of these warning signs, diagnose the problem early and repair it before it becomes an expensive repair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more automotive repair tips.